that cooking is easy. It doesn't have to be hard when you're camping and RVing and glamping. Hi guys, I'm here with my son's father-in-law, Mark Savageau, and he is one of our really good friends and family now, and we do a lot of cooking together. He teaches me things and I teach him. So today he's going to teach me his chimichurri sauce, but right now we're here in Sunshine Keys Resort in the Keys. Everybody loves his chimichurri. They eat it in different places and don't like it. So this is the one we're going to stick with.
And what else are you making that you want to put the chimichurri on?
So we're making a carne asada, and that recipe I learned from my niece in Arizona. Her husband's Mexican, and we made that together in our family reunion party. And later today we're going to also grill those on the grill outside and show you how we make them.
Is that chicken? Is it pork?
It's beef. It's beef. It's a skirt steak that we marinate and season, and then we grill it outside on the grill because we don't have an inside grill.
So chimichurri will work well with that.
Yes, kind of like the churrasco steak, the Brazilian steak. The chimichurri works the same.
All right, so let's get going here. It's pretty simple, actually. Chimichurri. It's not that difficult. So we got everything all prepped here. So we're going to start out with your cilantro.
Okay.
So we're going to dump that in. And what you've got here is, let me refresh my memory because I'm always making this in like double batches and everything. But that should be a half a cup of finely chopped cilantro.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, this past weekend we had to probably quadruple the recipe.
Yes. All right, so that's a half cup of finely chopped cilantro. Parsley, that's a quarter cup of finely chopped parsley.
Did y'all like my little Minnie Mouse balls? Hey, it's all about the mouse. No, it's all about the food.
It's all about the food. All right, so now we need some salt. That's just a teaspoon of salt. We'll just throw that in there. All right, so and you can put this recipe in the comments or whatever if you want to.
Yes, I will.
All right, so now dried oregano. Dump that in. That's a 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. All right, so now we need some shallots. So we got 1 shallot, finely diced.
My hands are clean.
You want me to do this, or you want?
You can do it. They're right there.
All right, right here. I don't have a food scraper, but I use a knife. So that's 1 shallot. Try to get it in there. Okay, you want to dice this up as fine as you can, I guess. I mean, you don't want it to be mush, but you don't want big chunks. Usually in chimichurri, you don't want big chunks.
So smooth.
It's not like a salsa, right?
Okay.
So
You don't want it chunky. You want it.
Yeah, you want to dice it up really nice and smooth.
Okay.
So then we got 4 cloves of finely diced garlic. So throw that in.
And we love our garlic.
So get all that in there.
You gotta get
All
all
right, now
that.
your jalapenos. 1 small jalapeno. It depends on how spicy you want it.
Okay.
So you can kick it up. Use a different pepper if you want. I use a jalapeno pepper. They're not too spicy, not too hot for people.
Okay.
But I use a small one. If you're making a larger batch, you want it hotter, throw in more.
Okay.
All right, so that's all of those ingredients, and then all you need is 3/4 cup of the olive oil. You might want to use your spatula to get all that out.
I'm going.
All right.
Every drop.
Drop counts. All right, so there's your olive oil. Next up is red wine vinegar. Okay, red wine vinegar, that's a half a cup. Now you just mix all that together. All right, that's it.
That's it. We have this clear container. I use it for guacamole. It comes with a top. It's back here, so that we can, when we make the guacamole, it like airtight preserves it so it doesn't go bad as fast. It takes a lot longer.
All right, so that's your chimichurri. That's everything.
That's all it is. That's
Now
it.
from there, you can adjust the taste with more salt if you want. You can add, like I said, more jalapenos or hot pepper if you want to be spicier, or just go with that. Okay. Now, when you're done cooking your steak later,
Right.
you can just drizzle this on. It makes it really nice.
good flavor, gives it the flavor.
So that's chimichurri.
And then we just push it
Quick and
in.
easy.
Quick and easy. We can make good food, fast and easy. We can prepare it ahead of time or do it really early in the morning. Enjoy your day, come back, slap the steaks on the grill, and you've got everything prepared, ready to
There's
eat.
plenty there for a few days probably.
Yeah.
Well, unless you get a bunch of people over like you did. And
Yeah. Well, it's all about the
Eat it-
food.
eat
You
it
know,
all
I
up.
invite everybody. I invite the neighbors that I don't even know. It's okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you again. And this is Dahlia with Dishes and Destinations with my really dear friend Mark Savageau. Thank you.
Enjoy it.